going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, we're pulling back. But guys, we know we have options today. But what are they going to blame? They're going to blame the Fed comments. But we know what the Fed has to do. Build the 4th Industrial Revolution. But we know there are going to be pumps and dumps in this bear market. So guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC, and then plus we have the Fed. Fed report about 1.8 trillion. And I did a video last night with Jerome Powell. Make sure you go check that video out. And he stated they may raise rates 50 basis points. And it was a great conversation because he clearly told the truth. They're ready to take the steam out of this economy. He said it out of his own mouth. And we're not going back to the old economy. Stated again, guys, we're moving to the 4th Industrial Revolution. The sheep will wonder what happened. Those who got used to the Fed pumping for the last 2 years, they're going to wonder what happened. The Fed has to build, guys. It's a Shemitah year. They're going to be building the 4th Industrial Revolution over the next 3 to 5 years at a speed we're going to wonder what happened to the old world. Because things are definitely going to change. America, the Babylon, is definitely going to end. And China, the dragon, is definitely going to rise with that digital yuan backed by that digital SDR. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale. Make sure you're paying attention to the Grayscale whale. We know they move lockstep with the Fed. And then plus, make sure you keep an eye on the spot Bitcoin ETF. And let's get over to a little crypto news. And guys, make sure you're hitting the like button. Make sure you're subscribing. And make sure you are sharing these videos. The Most High is definitely giving us all the signs. It's just whether you want to pay attention. Those who want to take this serious or not, it's definitely coming whether you like it or not. Prayer and preparation is definitely the key. I told you that 2022 is going to be the start of some of the worst times in economic history. And we're going to keep going further down. Jerome keeps stating that we're not going back to the old economy because, guys, we're going to see mass unemployment. We're going to see mass foreclosures. Remember, the NWO creates the problem. Wait on the reaction, run in with the solution. You will own nothing, but you will be happy. Now, getting over into the news, we have MetaMask with another outage. Now, we have Ukraine bans Bitcoin purchase with local currency to prevent outflows. And if you take a step back and you actually look at crypto, it's going to cause a currency war. And we know we've already seen the simulation. Now, we have the Bahamas government hopes to allow residents to pay taxes with digital assets this year. And at the Bahamas crypto event, you're going to have Bill Clinton and Tony Blair speaking. So, guys, we know how the NWO works. They bring the most powerful puppets out to push their agenda. Now, we have blockchain.com named Standard Custody and Trust Company as custodian. Also, we have the OCC issues order against Anchorage Digital over AML compliance. And guys, we know the banks are what? I'm not even going to finish it. You know how it goes. Now we have Alcy Media Company goes all in on NBA fan engagement with NFTs. And we know why the NFTs are being pushed by the NWO, because it's nothing but virtual goods. Now we have Cricket NFT startup Rario raises $120 million in Series A funding. And Rario is built on the Polygon network. And we have Polygon pledges $100 million to Web3 developers. Also, Stripe taps Polygon to allow customers to make payments in USDC. And guys, this is real use cases, but of course it's stable coins. And we know stable coins are not crypto. Do not get it confused. Stable coins are fiat, nothing but digital dollars. Now we have the Bitcoin miner Crusoe Energy System raises $505 million. And they are mining off of flared gas. Now we have Aptos Labs strike first cloud partnership deal with Google. And guys, we know Aptos Labs was the ex-developers of Diem. And what do I teach you? Follow the money. We have Andreessen, my guy, Coinbase Ventures, FTX, this is a name of few that are funding this group. And then lastly, we have Binance agreed to share data with Russian government agency. And guys, we know the movie continues. In America, we're not allowed to trade on Binance main platform for a reason. We see all these major exchanges all about the emerging markets, and the United States left in the dust. Don't forget Society 5.0 was planned in the U.S. and funded. America, the Babylon has fallen. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the Seabread, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. Powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam save New York from COVID 33. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.